on the mountains, fire in the sky. Steel birds were screaming as the columns marched by. Hungry and hunted, surrounded on every side. But the wounded kept moving, and nobody was left behind. Down by the Neretva, cold and wild, broken bridge hanging over miles, they said there's no crossing, the river will decide. But the partisans answered, we cross tonight. Hammer in the darkness, whispers in the rain, building hope from splinters while shells fell again. Boots on the timber, hearts beating fast, every step a promise. We will hold, we will last. Oh, Neretva, carry our dead, carry the fear from every head, but don't take the living, not tonight. We were born in the fire, we learned how to fight. In hand, young men and women defending the land. No kings above them, no gold to claim, only the wounded calling each other's names. And when the morning opened the hills, the enemy found empty trails, the bridge still shaking over the stream, and ghosts in the valley where armies had been. Oh, Neretva, remember their cries, the frozen river, the desperate night, history carved by blood and stone, by those who crossed and carried their own. So sing for the fighters lost in the snow, for the nameless hearts the world won't know. They stood together when the whole world burned, and crossed the Neretva.